Working with log or raw footage often means starting with flat, low-contrast images that lack saturation. Traditionally, editors have relied on LUTs, lookup tables, to convert this footage into the standard Rec.709 color space for proper viewing. However, Adobe Premiere Pro now offers a more efficient, built-in way to handle this process automatically. In this example, the project panel contains two sequences, one with Blackmagic RAW clips and another with Sony S-Log3 footage. As we cycle through the clips, you can see that both appear flat and desaturated, a typical characteristic of log and RAW formats. To begin, open the Lumetri Color panel from the Window menu. Under the Basic Correction section, you'll see an option to apply an input LUT. Normally, you would select the appropriate LUT here, for instance Sony S-Log3 to Rec.709. But instead, let's reset this option to none. Now, in the Settings panel, open the Project menu and select Color Manage, Auto Detect, Log and RAW Media. Premiere Pro will automatically apply the correct manufacturer transform in the background, converting your clips into the Rec.709 color space. You can fine-tune the results using the auto tone and basic correction controls for quick adjustments to exposure, contrast and balance. Next, let's repeat the workflow for the Blackmagic RAW footage. You'll notice several available input LUTs. If you're unsure which to choose, simply return to the color menu settings and enable Auto Detect Log and RAW Media again. Premiere will select the correct transform automatically. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, such as applying custom LUTs, creating your own color grade or preserving maximum dynamic range for high-end work, you can skip the automatic conversion. While the auto feature provides a quick and consistent starting point, manual grading gives you greater creative control and flexibility.